So in previous session, we understood how we can use constant variables. Let's see when I'm declaring a variable, what kind of naming convention should I follow? So now, if you remember when we were writing the Apex programming, can I create a variable with the name something like this? Integer, let's see, 1, 2, 3 name. If I try to save it, so what is going to happen in the Apex? So every language have some kind of specifications how they can declare a variable. Okay, so in the Apex also we have some specifications. You can see the unexpected token 1, 2, 3. So it's not allowing me to create a variable starting with a number. The same way, when I'm creating a variable in the JavaScript, what kind of rule or what kind of specification should I follow? So when you create a variable, let's consider I'm going to create a variable var name. So name nothing but is a variable. So this variable name what I'm giving, or let's see var number 1. So this variable name what I'm giving, what kind of rules I should follow. So variable name must contain only the letter, digit, or dollar symbol and underscore. Okay. So I cannot create a variable with var name ampersand. If I try to do that, it will throw error message. And same way, first character must not be a digit. So whenever I am creating a variable, so the first character should not be digit, like how I have shown you in the Apex. My first character cannot be digit. Okay. So name contains multiple word, then always follow camel case. Okay. Variable name always start with small character, and each character, each word starting should be in the uppercase. That's nothing but my camel case. And there are some kind of keyword like we have used var, let, or const, or class, or return function. These are the reserved word, or you can say keyword, which you should not use or which you cannot use to create a variable. For example, in the Apex, can I create a variable with integer class? If I do it, what will happen? Class is a keyword for the Apex. So we cannot create a variable with that. Or can I create a variable like integer list? I cannot do it because list is a keyword which not allowed to be used as a variable name. Or can I create a variable, let's say string name ampersand? Okay, so every language have their own specifications how they can declare a variable. Okay, so now you see it says unexpected token ampersand. So now if I want to do a variable declaration in my, let me keep this code first for you. So if I want to create a variable with a specific name, for example var, let's 1, 2, 3 name equal to, let's consider I have given as the basis. Then I'm going to do a alert statement of my 1, 2, 3 name. Okay, so what is going to happen here? Okay, see nothing happen. If you see the uh, console now, you see there should be some kind of error message, invalid or unexpected token. So if you click on this, you can see where this is wrong. So it's not allowed here. That means I cannot create a variable with starting with a digit simply. Okay, so same way, if I try to create a variable, let's see my course dollar ampersand. Okay, so what is going to happen if my course ampersand, then I'm just going to set some value, let's see JavaScript, and let me put one alert statement now for my course ampersand. Let me save it. Okay, see I you can see there is one error came here. Okay, nothing is going to work out here. We'll get the error message. If you see the error message, unexpected token ampersand, nothing but whenever you are going to create a variable, follow this 4 point. Variable name always start with the it should contain letter, digit, or special symbol, only the dollar and underscore. These two special symbol is allowed in the variable name, and never use digit as the first character on your variable name, and always follow camel case to create a variable, and it will not allow any keyword or reserved word to be used as a variable name. For example, if I try to create a variable, let's consider here I am going to create a variable name as let, or I can say um, class. Okay, so if I try to put my class, okay, I'm just going to put a alert statement for the reserved word. So if I try to save, nothing is going to happen. If you see the console, we'll get the error message unexpected token class. So we cannot use keyword or reserved words as a variable name. We cannot use hash character as a digit, and only the special symbol dollar and underscore is allowed on my variable name. In the next, we'll see different type of data type we have in JavaScript. Thank you. Stay tuned for next session.